This is the unboxing video from Wyave WSC-PT2-4G. This is the user manual with customer service hotline, the solar panel, the charging cable, and this is the accessory bag, the SIM card, the camera body, the installation panel, the extension cable, and the bracket for solar panel installation. This video shows you how to connect the Wyave 4G camera into the phone app. This is a quick show of the camera body, TF card slot, SIM card slot, reset button. The power switch. Now it's in off status. This is a micro USB charging port. Now let's insert the SIM card. Please pay attention to the orientation. And then insert the TF card. But note that TF card is not necessary. And then power on the camera. Now wait for the indicator light turns into solid blue. This may take up to several minutes. Now indicator light turns into solid blue. I'll go back to the phone app to follow the in-app instruction.
The blue LED will light up after about 1 minute. Click Next. Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your... Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address can go to the next step directly. Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
Now camera installed successfully. This is a live view of the camera from the phone app. This video shows the installation process of the Wyave solar camera. First, we need to install the metal panel onto the wall. And then insert the camera into the metal panel. And fix the camera with the panel using the special screws. Now install the solar panel onto the camera body. And secure the solar panel with the special screws. And adjust the facing direction. And I connect the charging cable into the charging port. Now let's introduce how to install the solar panel onto the wall separately from the camera body. First, you need to disassemble the small plastic bracket of the solar panel. Put it aside. And install the solar panel bracket onto the solar panel. Tighten the connector part a little bit before you install it onto the wall. Tighten more of the connector part. And make sure the solar panel faces the sunlight direction in order to have the best charging efficiency. And now connect the solar panel with the camera body using the extension cable.